Hello students, hope you are all doing good in your holidays. In the previous class, in chemical equations, we have discussed the numerical. Now let us discuss the second numerical that you have. That is, calculate the volume, mass and number of molecules of H2 liberated when 230 grams of sodium reacts with excess water at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. Now, let us write the given equation. 2Na plus 2H2O gives rise to 2NaOH plus H2. This is the required chemical equation. Now let us calculate the masses of it. Given atomic mass of sodium is 23U, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1U, atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. So let us calculate the masses of individual molecules here. So this is 2 into 23 plus here you have 4 into 1 plus 2 into 16 4 into 1 plus 2 into 16 2Na, that is 2 into 23 plus 2 into 16 plus 2 into 1, because hydrogen mass is 1, oxygen mass is 16. You have 2 each. 2 into Na is 2 into 23 plus 2 into 1. Right? These are all in use. Right? 2 into 23 is 46U plus 32 plus 4. 16 2s are 32 plus 4, 36U. 2 into 23, 46 plus 32 plus 2 units, 2 into 1, 2 atomic mass units. So that is 46U plus 36U is giving rise to 46 plus 32, 78, 78 plus 2, 80U plus 2U. If you are taking mole number of these atoms or molecules, you can write it as 46 grams plus 36 grams is giving rise to 80 grams plus 2 grams. Okay, so here 46 grams of sodium is giving 2 grams of hydrogen. Then 230 grams of sodium will give how much hydrogen? That is the question. Cross multiply. Let us call this as x. Cross multiply. X into 46 is equal to 2 into 230. X is equal to 2 into 230 by 46. 2 1s are 2, 23s are 23 1s are 23 10s are. So you get 10 grams here. 230 grams of sodium is giving 10 grams of hydrogen. We know that 2 grams of hydrogen occupies 22.4 liters. Then 10 grams of hydrogen will occupy 5 into 22.4 liters. That is, here 2 grams occupies 22.4 liters. 10 grams will occupy, you have to do into 5, because 2 into 5 gives you 10. Okay, 5 into 22.4, that will give 112 liters. Right? Yes. Next, 2 grams of hydrogen has mole number of molecules that is 6.023 into 02 into 10 to the power of 23. 10 grams of hydrogen hydrogen has 5 into 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23, that is 30.10 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. This is about it. First of all, we have written the given chemical equation, we have balanced it, then we are writing its mass, then we are converting into grams. U is taken as grams when you are taking mole number of molecules. Then 46 grams of sodium is giving 2 grams of hydrogen. So 230 grams of sodium will give us 10 grams. Okay. Similarly, it is given here that 2 grams of H2 means mole number of, it is mole number of, it is 1 mole. Okay. It is occupying how much? 22.4 liters. So 10 grams will occupy 5 into 22.4 liters, that is 112 liters. 2 grams of hydrogen has mole number of molecules in it. So 10 grams of hydrogen will have mole number of molecules into 5, that is 30.10 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. That is about it. Now, so with this numerical, the chapter ends. Children, we shall continue with the next topic in the next class.